Today we're checking into the Westin Hotel here and wanted to give you my first impressions of it after I've been in the room a little while. Now, overall, very positive. It's a very clean room. There's a fridge that you can actually use. It's not a mini bar, and the TV is very nice. One issue here is I thought I booked a king room. The email says a king room. Apparently, that was only a request. It was a subject to availability, and I ended up with 2 queens here. Now, I'm not a big Marriott person. If you follow these videos, you find I stay mostly at Hilton, where there I'm a very high member of their plan. So the fact that I don't really have any tier status here is probably why they shoved me into a queen, 2 queens here. Not exactly happy about that because I was under the impression I was getting a king. They said since you go book through a convention, it was subject to availability. So if you're coming here on a convention, do be aware that your request is only a request. You're not necessarily getting what you're asked for. You may want to call if you are very set on a particular type of room, or maybe you're coming here with a couple kids and you wanted the 2 queens. I'm here by myself. You may want to call ahead to ensure you're getting the room you really want. I'm a little upset. I understand that I typically stay at Hilton's, so I'm a very high reward program member in Hilton. Through Marriott, I'm really not. I don't stay at a lot of Marriotts. They kind of lock you in. So I can understand why they say, oh, this person doesn't stay here a lot. Just give them the 2 queens and let's give the kings to maybe somebody who is a gold status or wherever their plans are. But overall, that's the only real negative of the room. There's even a few cool things like this TV, which not only does have cable, it also has apps built in like Netflix, YouTube, Crackle, Hulu, and more, and even has in-theater movies right in your room. Now, these are very expensive movies, but it is kind of cool. You can do that. There is Bluetooth here. And the one thing before I do this, it does have the ability for people who always ask, when you check out, you can click this button, or it says it will automatically remove your login info. But let's take a look at these movies currently in theaters in your room, which is a pretty cool feature here. And while it loads, we'll keep going, but I'll come back to this. But this is kind of a cool thing. I'm wondering what the price is, though, to watch a movie in the room. The desk is very small. Now, one big complaint here, I always check this. So one of the things I do check, this is one area where it was not meeting expectations, was the coffee maker. Still had dirty grounds in it. Don't like to see that. The desk is very small, but it's usable. I'm not here to work on the desk the entire time. There are a plug and 2 USB ports here. I'm assuming back behind. Nope, there's no other plugs. There is an Ethernet jack and Wi-Fi here. Now, being a Marriott member, I did get my water, free water, but if you use the in-room ones, be aware they are $4 each. There is in-room dining here. You can ask them to come and, for instance, schedule a morning breakfast. Pretty standard stuff here, American, like 16 bucks. This is pricing, and feel free, let me zoom in here. Feel free to pause this to look at the menu a little bit better. This is pricing of what I would expect for a hotel like this. The thing they really get you on is the snack menu. You can dial Service Express for snacks, but you pay $5 for a Snickers. So pack your own food, pack your own drinks. It does come with a little fridge. I'll show you in a minute. All right, so the TV is up and working. Let's take a look at what is still in theaters here. The upside. And it doesn't say what the pricing is, and 17 bucks, so not bad. It is in May of 2019, mid-May. Some of these movies I feel like are not still in theaters though. Aquaman, I know for sure is out of theater and you can get it. The same with Vice, I'm pretty sure. So maybe it is in some small theaters, but I'm pretty sure that many of these movies you can get elsewhere. Let's take a look at the little mini fridge. I love the fact that this is not a bar here, because this way you can bring some drinks, some food, and be able to enjoy your food or keep them cold there, which is pretty nice. Let's take a look at the console. Now, this is a 2 queen bed. It does have some limited number of ports. You're going to want to bring a charger here if you bring a lot of devices. Does have an iHome with a USB there to charge and Bluetooth to connect your phone to it if you want a speaker. And then on the side, it's got 1 plug that's not in use and 2 USBs. It is kind of a tight fit right here, unfortunately. So keep that in mind. I would pack one of those multi plug things if you want to have your phone plugged in there for quick charging. Those are pretty standard USBs. And then there is more storage down here, just a generic, is this a drawer? Nope, just a generic cabinet that's empty right there. It does have your standard metal luggage rack right there, along with ironing board and iron there. A nice size safe, not huge, not too small. You can easily fit a couple tablets, maybe a set of Bose headphones, etc. in there. The bathroom is very nice. Nothing spectacular, just very clean, very nice. One of the things I do like is they have the glass. Don't use these glass cups. I don't know if this is picking up on the camera. It probably is. It looks pretty dirty. Never use these. Often they just wash them there, put them back. Use these plastic cups. This is my personal pet peeve there, is when they only have glass and not plastic. And then they do have a very nice shower here with a wand, a nice shower spray head. Towels are in the shower itself, which I hate because then I gotta take them out, put them over here. I'd rather have maybe racks down here to store the towels, or a rack up here. You know, you got a pitcher, I could care less. I'd rather have my towels anywhere but in the shower where I have to move them. It does come with a robe. It's a pretty nice robe, standard with all the Westin ones. And I believe it is free if you want to leave it here. I think you can take them home and then they bill you. And then it does use the Heavenly Spa brand of products, which I'm indifferent about. I pack my own, but that's important to you to know. They do have a makeup remover, which is pretty nice, and bar soap there and more. So overall, I'm very happy with the room. My number one complaint is, I guess I didn't fully understand the king versus the queen when I was doing it through the convention. So always remember, if you're booking through a convention, call, maybe let them know your preference and if it's really important to you. So if you have any questions, let me know. Let's go look at the view though real quick. I will put a link to this room down in the show notes if you'd like to book it. Now, nothing really fantastic about the view of this room. I think the other side has a better view. There is a very nice park down here with a big walking trail. If you so choose to go for a walk, take the kids out, burn off some energy, but is one more nice option there. So yeah, 2 thumbs up, very clean, very nice. Love the ability to both have HDMI port access here and to have apps like Netflix and Hulu built in. And overall, yeah, very nice. A nice comfortable chair too to watch TV. So questions, comments, let me know. Link to this hotel in the show notes down below.